Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. President Trump's tariff against Canada, Mexico, and China kicked on March 4th, sending US and global stocks tumbling. In fact, the market wiped out all the gains made since November 2024 elections. While the markets are reeling from bloodbath, not all stocks are taking a beating. One that seems to have shrugged off the trade wars is FS KKR Capital Corp. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol FSK. John, what can you tell us about this company?
FS KKR Capital Corp is a business development company, or BDC, or what we like to call alternative banks here at Income Investors. FS KKR provides credit solutions to private middle market U.S. companies with annual revenue between $10 million and $2.5 billion, and with annual EBITDA of $50 million to $100 million. They invest primarily in the senior secured debt market, with roughly 58% of investments in first lien senior secured debt. Now, it also seeks to invest in second lien secured loans and, to a lesser extent, subordinated loans or mezzanine loans. Of its total investments, 89% are floating rate. The weighted average yield on accruing debt investments, meanwhile, is 11%. Now, it makes money, of course, through the annual recurring interest income from its investments. Now, its current portfolio consists of 214 companies across 24 different industries with $14.2 billion of assets under management. And as a side note, FS KKR is actually the third largest publicly traded BDC when it comes to assets under management.
And looking at the financials, this BDC reported a fourth quarter earnings beat.
Yeah, for the fourth quarter ended December 31st, 2024, FS KKR reported net investment income of 61 cents per share, while that was down from 77 cents per share in the third quarter of 2024. It reported adjusted net investment income of 66 cents per share, which was down from 74 cents in the third quarter ended September 30th, 2024. But Wall Street was actually looking for adjusted net investment income of 65 cents per share. Now, for the year ended December 31st, 2024, the BDC reported net investment income of $2.90 per share and adjusted net income of $2.88 per share. Management said that looking ahead, its $4.8 billion available liquidity will serve as a significant strength as private market activity continues to build.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, I see that it declared a fourth quarter dividend of 70 cents per share.
Now, yeah, as an alternative bank, FS KKR is, as you would hope, good at making money, including $1.9 billion of free cash flow in 2024, which was up significantly from the $1.38 billion in 2023. Now, why is free cash flow important? Companies use it to pay dividends, debt, and capital expenditures. Fourth quarter declared a dividend of 70 cents per share. This consisted of a base distribution of 64 cents per share and supplemental distribution of 6 cents per share. Now, at current prices, this works out to an annual forward distribution of $2.80 per share for a current yield of 12.11%. And as a side note, again, as shareholders have become accustomed to quarterly supplemental distributions, the company paid one in the third quarter of 2022, and every quarter since then. Over the same time frame, it has also paid out 5 special dividends.
FSK stock is at record levels.
Over the last year, FSK stock has been on a pretty strong run, advancing approximately 30%. Now, that's at least at this recording. On February 19th, FSK stock hit a fresh intraday high of $24.10 per share. It has given up some short-term round of profit-taking and concerns about, I think, President Trump's newly implemented tariffs. But FSK stock continues to trade near record levels at $22.98 per share. Now, that puts FSK stock up around 7.5% over the last 3 months, 14% over the last 6 months, and 29.5% year over year.
John, thank you so much for your insights. FS KKR Capital Corp is a great BDC with 58% of its investments covered by senior secured debt, and 89% of the debt investments are floating rate. It has reported solid results all year long, including 73 cents per share adjusted net investment income in the first quarter, 75 cents per share in the second quarter, 74 cents per share in the third quarter, and 66 cents per share in the fourth quarter. The outlook for FS KKR remains solid. Since November, it has completed $700 million in public offering of unsecured notes due in 2030. A strengthened balance sheet and a strong economic underpinning should help juice FS KKR merger and acquisition activity. And this is why a growing number of institutional holders are taking a position in FS KKR. Of the 580 institutions with a 30.21% stake in outstanding shares, the biggest include Van Eck Associates, Commonwealth Equity Services, and Morgan Stanley. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.